Yaqub has been sentenced to death and 30th has been fixed as the date on which he'll be sent to the gallows. But his family here requests and has been requesting the governor and the President of India to convert his death sentence into life sentence. I have with me Raheen and Zubaida, who are, Raheen is the wife of Yaqub and Zubaida is the daughter. Let's speak to Raheen. Ma'am, you have filed petitions. Governor is hearing the petition. Also, there's a petition in the Supreme Court. What really would you expect?
I expect a positive reply, and we have surrendered, and leaving aside all the law points, I think I beg for mercy for Yaqub. Let his death sentence be commuted. We have suffered a lot, and he has suffered a lot, and I think now the government should consider his mercy plea.
Ma'am, 21 years he has spent in the jail. Have you been meeting him in the meantime? You met him also last time. What did he say?
Yes, I've been meeting him every month. He was very optimistic, but he's not well. He's suffering from schizophrenia since 1996, and he's been taking the medicines for schizophrenia since 1996.
And did he speak about wanting to, request the government to convert from death sentence to life sentence? What would he do?
Yeah, definitely. He wants a chance. He wants a chance to prove that he is not a threat to the society, and he will prove that he is a help for the society. And
I have with me Zubaida. Let's speak to Zubaida. Zubaida, have you ever met your father? How does it feel like when you go and meet him in the jail?
Whenever we go to meet him, I'm always very happy, because I feel that this moment is my happiest moment, because he is a person in my life who's the most important part. So I miss him, and when I go to meet him, I think itna to chalo main mil rahi hu, so I'm with my dad. But now I don't want to meet him for few hours once in a month. I want to be with him forever. So I request for pardon, and I request to accept his mercy.
Okay. At least would you want that his death sentence would be converted to life sentence? Will that be okay? What would he want to do? Have you spoken to him about that?
Yes, I surely want him to come out and for a sentence to commute to life, and he has told me that I'll come out and I'll open a school and many such things. Even now he's inside and he's helping the convicts inside, and he's surely a boon to the society and not a bane.
Okay. Ma'am, there are two controversies that have been brewing up. One is with regards to whether Yaqub had surrendered or not surrendered. CBI claims that he had not surrendered, he was arrested. What would you speak about this? Would you know about this, what had really happened?
no, he has surrendered. But as I told you, now it's I think all this should not matter. We appeal to the government of India to commute his death sentence. Please, it's a humble request from me.
Ma'am, there's also this bit that, during this entire time, Yaqub had actually helped CBI in the entire investigation. Would you know about that? What all was the evidence that he had given?
No, I don't have any idea.
You wouldn't know?
No.
Okay. And would you know whether there was any kind of a deal for Yaqub to come back? You don't know about that?
No, I don't know.
Well, that was Raheen and Zubaida who were talking about the entire sentencing of Yaqub Menon, who has been handed over a death sentence, but they have been requesting that either he be pardoned or his death sentence be converted into a life sentence. With cameraman Ganesh Zundale in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.